Hello everybody, I'm going to show you how to fix this DirectX 12 error in Tekken 8. Okay, now why does this error occur? This error occurs because you're trying to run DirectX 12 and you might not have it installed, or your GPU might not be able to even run it. So what does that mean? By the way, this game does seem to require DirectX 12, although you can seem to get around it, but it does give a couple of issues. Let's figure out how to fix this. Okay, first go to search, type in, type in run. From here, type in DX press enter. This will bring up a DirectX diagnostic tool on the display tab. Click that, and from here you're gonna see feature levels on the right hand side. By the way, you're gonna see 12_0 and above. That means your GPU can run DirectX 12. If you do not see this, your GPU probably cannot run DirectX 12. So that is an issue. By the way, if you're on Windows 7 or 8, you will need to upgrade your OS. Basically 7 or 8 does not support DirectX 11 or 12, and well, it's just old and it doesn't support many new games, so you need to update it immediately. Great, okay, now after you have done that, I would recommend you to download the newest graphics driver. If you do not have the NVIDIA app, I recommend you get it. Click on drivers and install the driver, same with AMD. Okay, now that you have done that, I would recommend going into it via Steam, right clicking on it, go to properties, launch options. What you can do, if you have DX12 or something like that, or D3D12 here, in the launch options you want to remove them immediately because your system cannot probably support it. Oh, I should have said, by the way, if you have DirectX 12 and it isn't running properly, there are a couple of ways to fix it. Type in cmd and search to find the command prompt run as administrator. From here, type in sfc /scan, now all one word. What this does, this will take all of the Windows files and then see if they are corrupted. If they are corrupted, it will replace them automatically. It is very, very, very handy. And after this is finished, which will take a couple of minutes, after it is finished, restart your computer and then try it again to see if that actually did fix the issue. Okay, now if you have done this or your computer cannot support DirectX 12, I would recommend typing DX11. This will force the game to run in DirectX 11. It is not ideal because, well, it might not work, but it's better than not running it at all, I suppose. Okay, now if you're having an issue where you updated your driver and then you're having a problem, what do you do? Okay, well, you should roll back your driver. Well, how do you do that? Press the Windows key plus X, and then you go to Device Manager from here, and then expand your Display Properties tab right here. And from here, right click on this, go to Properties, and from here go to Driver, and from here you can update the driver, or you can say roll back driver. So I would recommend rolling it back and seeing if this fixes your issue. I really hope this video helped you. If it did, leave the video a like. If it didn't, leave the video a comment, and I will do my best to get back to you.